Hey YouTube, it's DarkSage554 here, and I'm gonna do tutorial videos on the following game. Like it's a debut video saying what's the pop up. I'm gonna do SmackDown vs. Raw 2011. I'll show you my gameplay videos. Sorry, I'll show you how to get out of Royal Rumble eliminations quickly, how to stay in the Royal Rumble, how to not get beaten down to a bloody pulp. Cause I've seen you guys play online and sheesh. But yeah, hold on. And NBA 2K11, I also do videos on that as well. I just got it like a few weeks ago, but still, um, in my player mode, I'm 58 overall, and honestly, I'm actually good. Like I don't like many people. I don't try and hack it. I take notes on my shots and try and get better. But yeah, NBA 2K11. Even though this is an old game, still people want to see videos and stuff. Modern Warfare 2, I probably won't have that much videos of it, but yeah, Modern Warfare 2. Show you my nuke videos, how to catch easily a nuke. This is it's not edited video. I don't edit my videos. I do it full on. I'll show you my controller, non modded. I don't like cheating. Non-modded. See the back. Batteries. Non-modded. And the last one, I'll have more games, but still, this for now. Madden NFL 11. I'll show you gameplay videos, how to stay on top of your game, some real good plays that you can use on fourth quarter and stuff. But yeah, subscribe to me, and I'll with these games, if you message me, I'll do I'll I'll do anything you want me to do in the game. Like gameplay videos and stuff. I'll do that. All you gotta do is just message me and I'll get on as soon as possible. Subscribe, stay tuned.